Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kushi Kotak and I am here to make you all smile, inspire and entertain, and it would really mean the world to me if you just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow us on Instagram, and if you watch the video till the end, to just know that you have already made my day. And if you have seen the thumbnail, which you definitely would have, I don't know why I'm saying this, but if you have seen the thumbnail, you are aware of the fact that in this video we are going to be showing you all the new launches that we had for this particular month and also for the last one, because I don't remember the last time that I made a YouTube video sharing you all about the new launches that we had on our store. For all of those who are new here and who have just came here and tapped on my video for the first time, hi, I am Kushi. I run an online bookstore on Instagram named as thrift_books, and we sell books there. And we have launched several new book titles on our store, and we have it available here. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you all the books and book titles that we have launched with the quality check video, if I can, because there are lots of book titles, so I can just randomly show you the quality. And also प्लीज़ डोंट माइंड माई नेल्स, दीज आर नॉट ख़राब नेल्स. मैं एक्चुअली मम्मी को कलर लगा रही थी बालों में एंड मेरे पास वो ग्लव नहीं था प्लास्टिक का जो कि मैं यूज़ कर सकती थी, बट इफ़ दैट आई कुडंट यूज़ द ग्लव एंड दैट्स वाई माई नेल्स आर ऑल ब्लैक. वो मैना नहीं है, सो प्लीज़ डोंट वरी. Also ignore my dark circles because I have been staying late every night because नींद नहीं आ रही है, schedule is fucked up, and overthinking, and also schedule just fucked up, so you can ignore that. And I am here at the most randomest and the most casual avatar here, and yeah, that's me. But without wasting any further time, let's just begin with the video and let me show you all the new launches that we have had for the past month and that are available. Also these are available at free shipping all over India. Also we have great offers and discounts going on these products. जो भी products मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी वो सब आपको नीचे description में एक link मिल जाएगा जो हमारे website, like you have the link of my website. You can just tap on that link, you will get to know about our store, and you just have to type the title that you want. The offer will be provided and you can make your purchase. And we also have a giveaway. This giveaway is a bit different than all other previous weeks giveaway, so make sure that you are watching the video till the end, and let's just begin. I am not going to explain you about each and every book title that we are showing it here, because one, that the explanation would be really lengthy and this video will be for more than 1 hour, which is not possible because उतना तो आपका attention span भी नहीं होगा. Two, that describing each and every book title or providing you with a summary is also difficult for me because I haven't read each and every book title. It's not possible, humanly possible for me to read each and every book that I sell, so that's why I wouldn't be able to do that. So I'll just show you the book titles that we have, the quality that we are providing, and you can just Google the summary that you are about the book titles that you're interested in and just make the purchase by tapping on the link which is mentioned where in the description box. So yeah, let me just show. But before like showing you all the new titles that we have, let's just talk about Harry Potter book set. Harry Potter book set has been one of our hero products since the time that I've started this business, which was 3.3 years back. Yes, 3.3 years back I started Thrift Books, and we have sold 3,000 plus Harry Potters till date. It has been one of our hero products, and the quality, let me show you all. This is the exact set that you receive. I have just opened it because I was shooting a reel and that's why it's opened, but let me pick one title from the set. Let's talk about part 4 and look at this. This is the quality of the book set that you are going to receive, which is worth every penny that you are paying. Trust me on that. So this is just a small showing you all of the hero product. Let's just officially begin with the first book or book set that we have launched, and that has to be this. It's Once Upon a Broken Heart book series by ouch, I'm sorry. So this is the book set that we have recently launched. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to, because we have also posted, or we are going to post about the quality check video for this set. But let me just show you the quality in general. The main issue that people face while reading books is that the printing is not proper. It's really light and they're unable to see, like read, or like have good enough print that they can be satisfied, which I understand because I myself is a reader, and that's why we have kept all of these points in the mark, and we have curated the qualities accordingly. So this is the first book set that we have launched, and the next book set that we are going to be talking about is The Powerful, Powerless, Reckless book set by Lauren Roberts. This is the book set that you guys have been asking me from such a really long time, because like we were trying to get that particular set in stock from our sources, but like this is a set of 3 books. So क्या हो रहा था ना, एक book आती थी, launch होती थी, and then other 2 are in the making. We are trying to get the books in stock, but उसको time लग रहा था, and people were trying to get one copy. Like जैसे Powerful launch हो गया तो वो लोग पावरफुल को ऑर्डर दे देते थे, फिर जैसे रेकलेस आता था, लॉन्च होता था, रेकलेस ले लेते थे. बट नाउ वी हैव मैनेज टू गेट ऑल द 3 बुक्स इन स्टॉक, एंड नाउ इट इज अवेलेबल एट आवर स्टोर. Let me show you all the quality for this set as well. This is the quality of pages and the print, and you all just have to search it on our website and you can get your hands on this one. Let's talk about the next book. Now this is not a set of 2 books, but these are the 2 book titles by the same author, which is Ritwik Singh. Now this is one of the most viral book of all times, because one, that it's based on heartbreak, it's by Indian author, it's aesthetically good looking, it has poetries, so it's not much of a task to read, and just by the title it has gone viral, and it's viral for a reason. I am going to be making a new video, whole YouTube video on posting a review about this particular book, because I have completed reading it in just 2 hours and I am in love with the book. So it is definitely worth the hype. But what we are talking about today is that like that book is available at our store, but this one is in the Hindi language. So there are some people on my page who are always asking me if we have Hindi titles, if we don't, and if not, then please bring it back at our store. And that's why we managed to get these 2, the most viral book, back in stock in Hindi language, just so that our Hindi audiences would buy. Now if you don't, then it would be really heartbreaking, so please buy Hindi mein. This is the quality. It's really good. I love the aesthetic cover, I love the concept, I love everything about these 2 books. And now Hindi language is also available, so if you want, you can make the purchase. This is yet to be updated on my website, which I will. So by the time you are watching, and if you are interested, you can just type it on our website and you will get your hands. I will update it by today itself. Now the next thing that we are talking about is 2 new launches in terms of books. Like these are not book sets, but the books. The one is The Happiness Advantage, and the second is The Man Who Solved the Market. And both of them are different genres, both of them are poles apart from each other. There is no connection. I'm just telling you all, these are the two books that we launched. There is no connection at all. And the one is New York Times bestseller and the other is international bestseller. So I think that both of these are worth the hype. So if you are interested in making your purchase for these book sets, or if you wish to know some summary, if you want to get some idea about it, you can just Google it and understand the basic concept of that book, and you can make your purchase from the website. The one is Happiness Advantage and the other is The Man Who Solved the Market. Both are really interesting. Yeah. Now talking about the next book set, it is none other than The Hunger Games. Now The Hunger Games is a book set that you all have been really asking me to bring in stock from a really long time. Like I can proudly say that, I can confidently say that it was 12 or 13 months back since the time you all have been wanting me to bring this book set in stock. We couldn't, I agree, we couldn't, because it was not available with our sources. I checked with other few people as well if I can just pay some extra amount and get in stock, but it was really not available and we couldn't get it in stock. But now it's available with us. It is a set of 4 books. It is in the box set. I really love this color thing going on. Love the book. Just to show you all the quality, let me take this one. The Hunger Games Catching Fire part, the red color one. Here is the quality. The book is really good. Like, I personally am in shock with the quality because it's really good. I can literally see it in front of me. That's why I'm super happy, because I myself am also a reader. So if you want to make a purchase for this one, you all have to just check out the website and make a purchase. The next thing that we are going to be talking about is just the random four books. It ends with us, it starts with us, Atomic Habits and How to Influence People, How to Win Friends and Influence People. These are the random 4 books which were available since the time I started my business, and not started the business, because no, these are the books that were available these are the books that are available on our store since past few years now, but I'm just showing it to you all just so that you can see the quality, and it's really good. So if you are interested randomly, these are the random books. I mean, I don't know, I don't have to show it to you all in this video, I guess, because these are about the new launches. Why am I wasting my time? Let's talk about the new, let's talk about new book set, which has to be, wait, it will take time. Oh god, Tamples. We are talking about Throne of Glass set by Sarah J. Maas. Oh god, this is the book set. It's really heavy, so don't mind me. Now this is one of the most requested book set from you all since past long time. I know lots of other people were able to get that in stock and I couldn't, but we were waiting for that perfect quality. I was waiting for the perfect range of quality, perfect price point and everything, and that's why it took us some time. And here we are back with the set. It is a set of 8 books, and look at this quality. The printing is absolutely perfect. The front covers are glossy and perfect. There is no binding issue. There is no any other issue that you can expect it on any book set. But we have managed to get that in stock now, and I'm so happy. Also, we have amazing offer going on for this one. It is around 25 to 30% discount for the set. also limited edition because it's really high in demand and also very difficult to get it in stock. That's why you have to make a purchase soon if you're planning to buy this set. And the next set is for all the kids and all the elders, because these are the two different categories of people. How can it be for kids and also for the elders? Kids because they are kids, elders because they have been kids once in their lifetime, right? And when they were kids, this is the comic set that they would want to buy, but it's available now. It is none other than the Tintin box set. It is the comics series. This is really good. This is high in demand. This is hardcover book set. It's really heavy and with the best quality that you can possibly ask for. Look at this. This is hardcover box set with the set of 8 books, and it's like this. Like, look at this. The pages itself are so glossy. They are so good. Like, can you see the print? Because colorful print hai na, so in spite being the colorful print, it is really good. I will attach the video if I can here somewhere so that you can clearly see the quality check video. Apparently मैं खुद ही shoot कर रही हूँ, so I am unable to like वो back cam से आपको दिखा नहीं पा रही हूँ, but that's the really good quality that you can have. Let's talk about the next book set. It is none other than, this is also really heavy, it's Game of Thrones. I mean, from past few months you all have been asking me to bring Fire and Blood in stock, and we have been trying, trust me on that, but we have finally managed to get our hands on Fire and Blood. Look at the quality. यूजुअली जब भी ऐसी बुक्स होती है जहाँ पे देर आर सम प्रिंट्स, कोई भी प्रिंट होता है ना, लाइक दिस. अनदर सेट इज हॉन्टिंग एंड हंटिंग एडेलिन. वो जो बुक्स है ना उसमें जो प्रिंट्स होती है ना, बिकॉज वो प्रिंट होते टाइम ब्लैक एंड वाइट में होती है, सो वो बहुत ही डल हो जाती है. बट एज यू कैन सी इट हियर, द प्रिंट इज रियली टॉप नॉच. The printing of the letters, not just the pictures but the whole book, is really amazing, and I'm sure that you will love it. The other one is The World of Ice and Fire. This is in hardcover, so also great. And this book though has really, I mean, glossy pages. Look at this. If you like, I am not sure if the camera is catching it or not, but I can see it up front, so I can tell you that this has glossy pages. So this one is really good. The next is A Game of Thrones. Look at this. I mean, this is heaven for all Game of Thrones fans, and the print and the quality. I mean you have heard me several times hearing the word quality, but I cannot stop myself. The next is A Feast for Crows, also by George R.R. Martin. Really good. And that's all I have for the Game of Thrones section. The next has to be also the Caraval book series. The day I posted it on my Instagram, क्या हुआ था, देयर इज अ शॉर्ट बैक स्टोरी रिगार्डिंग दैट. तो कैरेवल बुक सीरीज का ना मेरे पास ऑन द स्पॉट कोई वीडियो या फोटो नहीं था डालने के लिए, बिकॉज माई सोर्सेज हैव डिस्पैच द ऑर्डर, बट वो मेरे यहाँ पे पहुँचने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम था, प्लस बिकॉज ऑफ बारिश वो थोड़ा डिले हो रहा था. बट वो मुझे तो पता ना कि वो बुक सेट है हमारे पास, सो आई वॉन्टेड टू लॉन्च इट, एंड दैट्स वाई आई ओपन द Pinterest and clicked on Caraval series. I found few good pictures but not the exact pictures जो रियल में है. Like, look at this. This is the actual Caraval series के book covers and book, but अभी Pinterest पे जो मुझे मिला best possible, I uploaded that, and उसमें था hard cover, and the Caraval series that was posted was of the French edition. I didn't see that. मैं post करती गई, and there were lots and lots of inquiries, and I was so happy that wow, so many people are interested. But then I got to know that इतनी इंक्वायरीज तो आ रही है बट ऑर्डर्स क्यों नहीं आ रहे, बिकॉज दे थॉट दैट द रेट दैट आई टोल्ड देम वाज for the hardcover, whereas the hardcover is not at all available with us. तो बाद में मैंने वो चीज़ क्लियर की and I knew after like posting that, I knew for the matter of fact that Caraval series बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड में है and बहुत लोग interested है. So that's why as soon as I got the stock from my sources, मैंने तुरंत उसका फोटो लिया. I like made a video which I'm going to be uploading it tonight, or I cannot recall because मैंने 20 reels shoot किए थे for the quality check and everything, and I just cannot recall कौन सा कब post किया था. And this is the actual Caraval series. It is a set of 3 books with really good quality. Wow, look at this. The next we are not over yet. The next has to be The Haunting and Hunting Adeline, also Where's Molly and Satin's Affair. These are the 4 books that you guys love it. After Harry Potter set, after Twisted series, and after Shatter Me series, one series that has to be one of our best sellers has to be Haunting and Hunting Adeline. Like you guys are crazy for that set. I can clearly see that. And then उसके 2 parts और release हुए थे. Like look at this. This is the printing done in the black side, but ये print कितनी ज़्यादा अच्छी. Can you see like ऐसे कितने सारे pages है जो इसको काफ़ी लो रेट में, like हम जो रेट में सेल कर रहे हैं उससे बहुत कम रेट में सेल कर रहे हैं. बट जब आप ये पढ़ ही नहीं पाओगे तो what is the use of paying that amount as well, right? So that's why we have posted, we made a reel using all 4 book titles. पहले सिर्फ ये 2 भी separate sell होता है, ये 2 भी separate sell होता है, but together it's amazing. So we have these launches as well. And let's talk about this. This is also a really good launch, cute and aesthetic. The name is Love Redesigned and Love Unwritten by Lauren Usher, and I love it. All the cute titles, all aesthetically pleasing titles are bestsellers no matter what. And yes, you guys have been asking me, we bought it, and you can make your purchase for the set. The second last, we are not over yet. The second last set is Sudha Murthy, The Gopi Diaries. And this is a set of 3 books, as you can see. Also hardcover, really good quality. I'm not going to open this and show it to you all about the quality. You have to check out my Instagram and watch the reel because we are going to post it there, so you also follow. Now the last set that we are going to be talking about is finally a good manga set. Yes, we are launching a manga, which is, can you guess which manga we are launching? It is One Punch manga set. It is of volume 1 to 21. I am opening volume 14, and look at this, the black and white print. I mean, I'm a fan of this set and lots of other sets that my sources have sent me, because this quality is really good. There are so many pages selling it at much cheaper rate, but cheaper the rate, cheaper will be the quality. So also posting the video about the quality on my Instagram. Make sure that you check that out. Follow us on Instagram so that you can check the quality and make your purchase. And yeah, that's all I have for this particular video in terms of the new launches that we have, because these are all the new launches that we had for the past month. Apart from this, we don't have any new launches, but all you have to do is click on the description box to you have to check out the description box, click on the website, and you can make the purchase for any of these book titles at great discount and at the best quality. Now let's talk about the last part of the video, which is giveaway. In this giveaway, This giveaway is really interesting because yes, you get the chance of winning books of worth up to rupees 2000 for absolutely free. You don't even have to pay any shipping charges, but the rules for participating in the giveaway are really different. One, you have to subscribe our YouTube channel. Two, you have to follow us on Instagram. And third is that you have to comment that you have followed, you have subscribed, and you have to tell us the number of times that I have said quality in this particular video. The correct person gets to be the winner of this week's giveaway. If there are 2 or 3 or multiple winners, like the multiple number of people who have told the correct answer, one of them will get a chance of winning the giveaway. And we just don't have the giveaway for this particular week, but we have giveaways for each and every week. So make sure that you're checking out our YouTube channel, following us, subscribing us, and watching each and every video and staying connected to us, because if you don't, just in case you don't win this week's giveaway, we have several new giveaways arranged for you guys each and every week that we post a YouTube video. So make sure that you are checking that out. And also the winner of previous week's giveaway is declared in the description box. All you have to do is just check out the description box, take a screenshot and send us on Instagram, so that we can connect with you guys, get your address details and send the parcel at your location. So that's all I have for this particular video. I will see you very soon the next time, but until then, please take care. We have lots of content planned for you guys, and I will see you very soon the next time, but please until then, take care and bye bye.